What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy E Double coming back to you on this lovely Friday. Look at that nice little ocean, the scenery. Like to welcome all my good new peeps, the E Money crew team early, smashing that notification button, supporting your boy on this channel as we move to that 1K so I can give my 1K giveaway. Make sure you tell a family member, friend about your boy. Support me. Also, you can hit me up on my IG, E_money_shoes. And I also have a mailing list, Emoneyshoes 1. If you want to get on the mailing list and keep you up to date, let you know, because we do get stuff late right. So if you're looking for any shoes, maybe your boy E Double can help you out. Now, without further ado, let's jump into this review. I caught these joints from Sneaker and Stuff. I won the raffle. Been feeling lucky. Nowadays, as you can see, just a lovely box. These bio beige things with this brown box. It's a nice little presentation. You know, Jordan brand, they've been giving us some craziness lately. Size 10.5, Air Jordan 3, Retro JTH NRG Bio Beige 10.5. These I went a half size up to be on the safe side. As you see, got this hunting paper with all of this different stuff. Now, I forgot what this symbol here stands for, but as you can see, it's got all of this green stuff. So it's got this hunting bio beige color going on. Got a little bit of windy wind coming around here. Let me close the box. And we just gonna go raw, straight into this review. No editing. And check it out. Such a lovely shoe once around. Check on the bottom. Nice orange hit, up close and personal. The bottom kind of got like a smoke gray see-through. The material is A1, got that kind of smoky dark charcoal elephant print. Got a little change of range there on the suede with the leather. Your perforated holes there. You have like a lime green here. Got your Tinker hat feel right there. And it's like this baseball type laces. These joints are coming out for sure. Leather tongue with your orange hit on the top. Got your I guess it's kind of like a black bio beige here. You got the swoosh, which is reflective, but you're not gonna get the reflective swoosh because I'm outside in the bright lights. Perforated holes there. You can see your air unit up close and personal. Get that red in there. Got that Nike Air on the butt by Biege. And then you got those things behind the pull tab as well. Markings, those bio markings. Higher, etched in here. On the medium side, you don't have the check. The paint is pretty good. Then inside, stress is cruel. That is true. Stress is very cruel. And then you got Tinker hat feel, Justin Timberlake signature inside. So leave a comment suggestion below. Were you able to cop these shoes? Did you do a no look pass? Or just not your cup of tea? I know, yeah, a lot of people didn't want to cop that for that $250, but it is a premium shoe. And it is definitely worth copping. So on a liter meter or copper meter, I would give these shoes a 4.75 out of 5. A 4.75 out of 5. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, support your boy E Double. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'm out. Deuces.